Greece is a fantastic travel destination to visit. There are so many great places you can check out. There is a reason why it is one of the most visited countries in all of Europe. However, there is one place that you should not go to in Greece. But really quickly, before I go into the place you should not visit in Greece, do click onto the description right now and get yourself some travel insurance. Safety Wing provide bespoke travel and health insurance for digital nomads, travelers, and people who work remotely. Accidents can happen when you're traveling, so I definitely recommend you get some insurance. Click on the description, get insurance with Safety Wing. I do highly recommend you go with them. So where is the place in Greece that I don't recommend you stay? So to give you some background, I was planning to stay in Thessaloniki in Greece for 3 nights. Thessaloniki is the second largest city in Greece, and I was planning to stay there from the 18th of October 2023 until the 21st of October 2023. Now, I do recommend you visit Thessaloniki because Thessaloniki is a very nice city, but there is another place within Thessaloniki that I do not recommend you stay. If you are coming to Thessaloniki, I recommend that you do not stay in Dreamy Apartment City Centre 2 Thes B&B GR. I had planned to stay here, but they cancelled on me last minute. Now, I had a late flight arriving into Thessaloniki late in the evening, so I got this message here, as you can see, at 7:21 UK time, which is 9:21 Greek time. And they told me they were unable to accommodate me on the day of my arrival without any earlier notice. Yes, I get it, maintenance problems can happen, but they knew I was staying there on the 18th. They knew I was arriving on the 18th, and they didn't give me any notice at all that there was a problem with the drainage. And for those of you in the comment section who may be like, oh, maybe you didn't check your emails earlier. Well, look at all of these emails here. I had no emails before the 18th of October, apart from my confirmation email there. For me, this is just a little unprofessional. They knew I was arriving on the 18th of October, so I recommend you don't stay here. I actually recommend you stay here instead in Thessaloniki. I recommend Flintstone's apartment. They accommodated me as soon as they found out that I couldn't stay in the other apartment, and it was really clean, fantastic. It was more expensive, so be aware of that, but for me, it was worth it. Now, I've got no affiliation with this place at all. I get no commission from any sales. I'm just giving you my honest feedback, and I'm saying that I did enjoy staying here instead. And make sure you do come and check out the city of Thessaloniki as well. It's a very underrated city. It's a very cool place to be for a weekend trip or something like that. Lots of bars, lots of restaurants, lots of cafes. It's a really nice place to come. Now, if any of you have ever had your accommodation cancelled on you last minute, do drop a comment in the comment section, just because I'm interested if any of you have had the same experience as me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Click the like button, click subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.